and we are in airplane.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to go to airplane.
Both
And
of
everybody is here. We got
Demon
Lord, and we got Psycho.
Blue Side Go. No, you don't get that wrong.
Okay, let's go.
I'm recording too.
Yes, everybody is recording.
No, I
Go on
don't.
this one. Go on the new one.
Okay, I want to get in here. Okay,
And
this is very weird.
Oh, we're going.
Oh.
Yes.
Well, my flight.
I want to see what seat I am.
We're going to
My seat is H12.
We're going to Saudi Arabia.
I don't even know. I don't.
E7.
Because I'm still mine is A11, so let's go down.
Mine is H12.
A11. There we go.
Okay. This
Yes,
is,
I'm a window seat.
okay. I'm
Oh,
going to check.
dang it, I'm not. I'm a window seat, but I got no plane. I barely can see it. Dang it!
I have no
I can only see
idea.
the side.
Hello, everyone.
Hey, I'm
This
the captain.
is the
Shut up. I'm
captain
the captain.
speaking.
This is the captain speaking. Welcome aboard Flight 5765. It had to be so complicated because I don't know why. We are currently flying at the altitude of 33,000 feet above the sea level, which means you're going to arrive in no time to our destination.
You forgot the weather looks good.
Did it always say that? Feel free to explore.
Yes.
Did it always say that?
Yes.
All that complicated stuff?
Yes.
But remember, you have to look at the top shelf to look for
I'm not.
my metal case.
Guys, stop. Yeah. Why are those scissors in here?
Our birds for me to
Act like we don't know anything.
I actually don't know anything, but
Yeah,
she
me
does.
Yes, I know everything. I know everything.
What do you need to use the scissors for? Tell us. Tell the legendary.
I don't think I want to
find
tell.
your seats. We're about to cross the area of high altitude.
Wait,
Well, you got the attitude, mister.
What do you mean? I thought we're already high.
Even higher.
No, guys, it literally said.
they're gonna
Now-
must, that means they're gonna go like this. Which means, so if you're standing.
Guys, did you not read correctly? It says, now please find your seats.
We're about to cross the area of high turbulence.
The turbulence already happened.
Thank you for your cooperation. I don't do much of cooperation. That's okay.
Okay,
That's
guys.
okay. Get ready. Okay, sorry.
As our-
As our crew prepares it, not for everybody.
Yes, I get
Yeah.
to do that voice.
Give me my snack.
I get to do that voice. I call it. Hello, everybody. Me! Hello, everyone. We are the crew members. We were delivering delicious sandwiches.
With the
Everybody has to eat the sandwiches. Got it. It's only fair.
Yep.
Eat the sandwiches.
I never get it. I never get sick. So
Actually, you did. I saved you.
yes, I only got sick one time.
I could have left her to die, but so I can get the solo ending. But either way, I died from the
Okay.
snake.
Oh, come on! I got it!
Demon Lord. Oh no.
Okay.
I'm not feeling very well. I know where your suitcase is. Stay in your
I'm
seat.
not feeling very well.
Stay in your seat. Go to your seat. I think I know where it is.
Wait, is this sandwich husband?
Where do you sit?
Right here, in back of you.
Where?
Right here, back.
That's mine.
It's not there. Then it has to be here. No.
Find my medicine!
Is it up there?
Found it.
Yes. Good job.
Oh my god, medicine. But I love mayo. I love mayo. It's my favorite thing in the world with sandwiches. I don't like this game. This game is wrong. I'm not allergic to mayo.
Oh, do you remember the time when we actually played it before we
that
had
was
a
close one. Good.
Good afternoon of all passengers. I'll inform you we've reached at the stable altitude. It would be It would be great to sit back. Take a nap and enjoy your ride.
But you haven't seen the new Robux symbols.
But I wanna say something real quick.
Where are we going? Say, you took this trip. Where are we going? Which magazine?
No, we're going to Saudi Arabia.
We're not.
No, we're going to it says we're going to London.
Why do you think of London?
I want to go to that place where I
Good
can.
night, passengers. Remember to stretch your legs. We had a few hours. Why don't you go to
Nope, snakes will
Ireland?
come in.
Oh
Snakes.
no, we're coming. Oh, we're going from London. I forgot to tell you guys. We were in London the whole time.
I know we're in London.
Look
I'm
out.
saying, why are we
Look
going
out
to
the
London?
window.
We're in London.
Yeah, we're flying back to our home.
It appears we have lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it.
Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? I don't see. Oh, I see it.
I'll do the evil voice.
No, it must
No.
No, because I'm more evil than myself.
I never got to do one voice.
Yeah, you did yours.
You will not. No, I did yours.
We'll both do it
Are
at the same time.
Run!
God, you gotta scream like that. Where's the safe passageway?
No, Anna, don't! You're gonna die! You have to wait a little bit. I'm gonna run. Run. No, they're all coming after me. They're all coming after me.
But we're both gonna do the evil voices because if two people doing the evil voices. At the
I'm
same time,
fine. The glitched.
It sounds more evil.
Oh,
right?
gosh, they're coming after me.
You're not even moving.
Potato.
Guys, there's an open
Hey guys, there's an open.
I know where it is! I got in! Do you guys hear
Where
it?
is it?
I got in.
It didn't even kill me! No! It's the other side! No!
Guys, for now, while we're waiting for them, let's play a different game.
Why? I feel so sorry for them. Give a thumbs up for those 2 deaths.
Well,
It's up to you
guys,
now.
I will win.
I'm just gonna pause the video.
That was scary. We should discuss what the heck is happening.
See you later, guys.
I'm just on. Guys, we're gonna try to get back where we was.
Oh, we left. Give 18 seconds. 18 seconds.
So,
I'm actually in the chair.
okay, I'm trying to get the gas, man. The oxygen, because I'm just gonna pause until we get back. Guys, we're back, and we're at this part. Yes, beautiful. Actually, you can stare out the window.
Good
Zoom
night,
your screen
passengers.
out, yeah.
Remember to stretch your legs. We still have a few hours to go.
Okay, this plane is horrible design.
It doesn't really have that much bathrooms. So we're on this 4 bathrooms. Remember, follow me. Like, literally, legit, get behind me.
Go on top of your seat.
I'm going on 5.
Yeah, the closest seat to the bathroom.
My name is Kevin.
What is that?
My name is Kevin.
Guys, look. What is that on the right wing? I'm gonna pause it.
No, I'm gonna do it.
I'm gonna pause it here, guys, so we
No.
can get to the restroom, and then
No,
I'll
no.
bring you back
No,
when we're back at
don't
the
do that.
restroom.
No.
Why would you do that?
I already did.
You
That's
will not
I already
survive.
It's a hard
This-
one.
Others.
Didn't they see? Wait, they see that part, right?
Yes, so that's why I paused it.
I'm just standing.
Just standing.
They can't get up.
They didn't get it.
If you die one more time, you can't end the video there and say, "Oh, we couldn't undo it." Okay,
Okay.
but unpause it just in case you do die. Therefore, they can see you die. That's what
Okay.
they want to see.
Okay. I'm very stressed because this. Guys, there is an open bathroom.
Got in.
No!
It wasn't that one.
Other side. You're not in, are you?
Nope.
Come on.
2 snakes just killed me. It just said they were just standing there. I didn't even touch them. Oh my gosh!
You die very easily.
I hate this.
Why don't you end it there? So, we're back we're in the bathroom. Can I have privacy? I have to use the bathroom.
Guys,
No, you can't.
I
have
hate this
privacy 'cause
video.
it's the end of
That
the
was
world.
scary. We should discuss what
We
the
don't know
heck
that
is
guy.
happening.
Snow, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, I agree with myself.
It's so annoying. What's this?
Let's go outside. I'm gonna go outside. I can't. I look at the window. I see stars.
You know what, guys? That's the airplane I'm horrible at.
I'm trying to survive.
Oh, look, it tells us what airplanes we can go on.
Okay.
This time, I'm going to Mexico.
That was scary. But here's the place where I died. So I'm gonna go right into the middle. Power is back up. So I look both ways and I see him that way. I could just go that way. And if I go this way, I can go this way. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. You're talking to yourself, you know. Jeff. The creature on the wing is also gone.
Okay,
Wait,
guys.
you're
So,
talking to yourself.
guys, so I'm just gonna end the video. We have nothing to do.
Your attention.
But here's one thing you should do.
I have
Check out
sad.
Pinky Love YouTube. Fake YouTuber. That's her thing. She's probably on but it's easy
There
to
is
find.
4 people
The
on the
why.
plane. That means there's going to be 3 oxygen masks. The bad news is that we are losing a signified amount of oxygen.
Well, bye guys. I'm gonna end the video here. Can you please stop talking? See ya, Blue Sock. Go out.